So today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your boot speed. So first of all, click in this arrow, show hidden icons. You will find some apps icon. Some of these are unwanted. These are the things what makes your boot slow. So let's stop it from the startup. First click Ctrl Alt Delete and you will find the task manager, or you can click right on your mouse in the bar and you can find task manager and click this icon if you don't see these options, and then go to startup apps. Look, there's lots of apps, unwanted, unused. Some of them are useful. Don't disable this one. Just disable what do you want. Keep most of the things disabled. And here we go. Our unwanted apps disabled. Now next part is cleaning your disk. Go to properties and you will find tool option. This cleans your errors, disk errors. Scan the drive. If any of these errors occur, then your boot will slow and it will clean instantly. So now when you restart your PC, it will definitely be faster than before.